One of the best nicknames in the entire 2012 class. Pig Howard is a player that Tennessee really did some good recruiting with because they were going up against a lot of major schools, and then in the end they were going up against Central Florida, which is not only where his hometown is of Orlando, Florida, but also where his brother plays. So really they were recruiting against both hometown and family, and they were still able to pry him away. He's a consensus four-star, one of the few players in this entire class that all the scouting services can agree that could have an immediate impact. One of the highest rated players considered by 24/7 in Tennessee's class. He kind of fills that void left by D'Anthony Arnett, who transferred to Michigan State this past offseason. He's 5'8", 170 pounds, which is pretty small, but then again, he's more of a prototypical slot receiver that they'll be able to move around and maybe mess around with, put him in the backfield sometimes, but also put him in the slot. And Tennessee really does need a slot receiver to emerge, not just from this class, but maybe on the entire roster that can kind of complement what Justin Hunter and Dayrick Rogers are doing. And if you're just basing it purely on stars and overall rating, Alton Pick Howard probably has the best chance.